All right, team, we got the banded lat pull down. Now, this is a pretty straightforward thing, so we want to make sure you understand just a couple variations. This is going to be more of a vertical at a slight angle pulling. If we went horizontal, that'd be more of a seated row. So Sarah is on the ground, seated with the legs out in front, slightly behind the anchor of the band, and we're going to pull straight down. Think kind of like elbows to pocket. We don't want to have the arms flare out, all right? So nice control on the way up. Now, it's okay on the way up to let the shoulders kind of get pulled a little bit so we can stretch and load the lats so you can contract. If you keep your lats always tense and just extend the elbows, you're gonna pump a lot more in your biceps. It's just not, it's not wrong, it's just not gonna be that effective for the banded lat pull down. So a few reps in real time, nice little pause in the bottom, nice smooth extension, really kind of add a manual squeeze at the bottom. Obviously, the thicker the band you use, the more tension. Think about like more weight on a cable machine if we're at a Globo gym. Or lighter the band will make it a little easier if you have very high reps, all right? Now, another variation is you can increase to a thicker band. You can also now be in a seated position. That will decrease some of that stress. So if you're kind of between too easy, too hard of a band, and that base point on the floor is too much of a stretch of the band that you cannot quite get that nice controlled contraction, you can always be seated on a bench and then again, increase or decrease the band, all right? But mainly we wanna make sure we're going back and down, really squeezing the back and the lats, all right? Don't put it just in your arms, elbows not flared out, elbows to pockets. Banded lat pull down.